Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change our video call background image to our custom one, for example, a photo from our gallery in Samsung Galaxy S22. So, where to look for our video call background options? We need to go to Settings, then in Advanced Features, we have Video Call Effects. When we tap this option here, we have a menu here. So we can change our background menu. Our background of our video call for our custom photo. For example, this Mr. Morlock here done, and as you can see, our background image has been changed. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.